traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover gold market. I will speak about the British pound versus US dollar, crude oil, and the Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the gold market first. So what I found basically on this market is that the price basically is trading really around the critical pivot level and pivot zone. It is the level where we got many rejections in the previous price action. You see July 16, July 29th, and September 6th, right? We had all major highs there on the daily time frame, and basically price retested that today, 1828 level. Very important level, and then 1834. So watch closely this zone, because the bigger rejection can signal some kind of, basically some pullback at least towards the 1830. But so far we still been in the higher highs and higher lows, and this will be a decision level. The upside breakout, if you see the bigger, stronger upside breakout, this can lead us even to the higher prices, maybe even the beginning of this big down day that we got here. That will be the area to watch then, 1857 even, or zone around 1862. But we need to see how the price will react around this level. If you go to the lower frames, let's say hourly time frame, you will see that we have a rising moving average, it's rising 50 moving average. And basically you will see this, we're still building higher lows so far. So as long as we're building the higher lows, we're trading this upside cycle, there's more chances that we go upside in the next period. So watch for this again, for this major zone, and so far we have no change in any trend. Still building the higher lows and higher highs, and the daily looks like we can really see this is the major level here to watch. Speaking of the British pound versus US dollar, what we got there is that we got a rejection of this key level around 1.3432. We got a pin bar, and yesterday we got a higher high and higher low. Very good, strong upside day, like a reversal and good rejection day. Today we already got a higher high, and we are getting closer to the 10-day moving average, which is around 1.3628. But we still have about 50 pips to test that 10-day moving average for today. So we'll see if that will be the case, but still more potential upside power on this one. If I go to the lower frames, let's go to the hourly, you will find that price is basically respecting the rising 10, 20, and 50 moving average, right? So we have a 10 and 20 moving average that we're respecting. We have a rising 50 and still building the rising lows. Okay, so now we got a this on the test. Market went way too fast, way too fast here, and then we got reaction back down. Now we're in the pullback mode, so watch for some kind of the upside rejection. Ideally something, if you see on the lower frames, like if you find some bullish upside movement, and then rotation here, and then a movement upside, this will be pretty good. Okay, so watch for that potential movement, because there is still chance for another rally. If we speak about the crude oil, I think it's a very similar situation. We got a major high at 83.40, and we got test of the rising 10, 20, and there is a 50 moving average as well here, but there is we're building the higher lows, and we initially had a breakout in this bar. Now we're just retesting this and pull back after the breakout, which is pretty normal. Now you watch the lower frames just to see the situation. We got run rally. We need to start to build some higher lows, from my perspective, and eventually go higher. That will be what I would like to see for the upside. So watch for buying opportunities if that is the case, and eventually 83.40 can be on the test. And the Bitcoin, basically we reached objective based on my previous forecast, 67,000. We broke that. I placed some projections, and I got 71,600 like a next level, and then 80 plus thousand. So based on the upside projections, based on the recent price action. So still we hit the first objective, and we are heading towards the next pivot around 71,600. Watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks. That'll be all for this analysis. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, and see you all tomorrow morning.